Hello students, in this video we are studying root test. How we can say any series is convergent or divergent by using root test. Okay, so for this test what you need sigma un, that is a positive term series, and this series is such that limit n tends to infinity un power 1 by n, that is equal to L. Then the given series is first convergent if this L is less than 1. Second, divergent if this L is greater than 1. And third, if this L is equal to 1, it means test fails. Okay, means if you are having any positive term series sigma un and this series is such that for this series the nth term un and the power of un, that is 1 by n, and then applying limit n tends to infinity, we get the result L. If this L is less than 1, it means this series is convergent. If this L is greater than 1, it means the series is divergent. But if you get the value of L is 1, so the test fails here. Okay, so for convergency and divergency, in case of root test, you will get the value of L either less than 1 or greater than 1. Okay. Now, why this test fails at L is equal to 1? For example, we choose two series sigma 1 by n and sigma 1 by n square. Okay, there are two series. This series, the power of n is 1 here. Okay, so this series is divergent and this series is convergent. Why we are saying this? By comparison test, if power of this n is equal to or less than 1, so series is divergent. But the power of n is greater than 1, the series is convergent. Okay, so by using comparison test, we can say first series is divergent, second is convergent. But if you apply limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n power 1 by n, so the result is 1. And similarly for the second series 1 upon n square whole power 1 by n. Applying this limit n tends to infinity and solving this, we get 1. It means for this series we are getting 1. And for this series also we are getting 1. But the first series is divergent, the other series is convergent. So here test fail at L is equal to 1. If you are getting L is equal to 1, the series can be convergent, the series can be divergent. Okay, so this test is only for L is less than and greater than 1. Okay, now for example, here is an example. Test for convergency if the nth term for any series is Rn upon n power n, where R is greater than 0. Okay, so what we have here, let nth term of this series is R upon n and whole power n. Now for root test, what we will do, limit n tends to infinity and power of un 1 by n. So I am writing here limit n tends to infinity as it is, and R by n whole power n by n. So limit n tends to infinity R by n. And when we put limit n tends to infinity, what we will get? This is equal to R upon infinity, that is something upon infinity, that is 0, which is less than 1. So by root test, here this L is less than 1. Okay, and if less than 1, we get the series is convergent. So I will write here, because L is less than what? L is less than 1. So the series is convergent whose nth term is R by n power n. Okay. Now to understand the concept of root test, we will take one more example. And here the nth term un is 3n plus 2 upon 2n minus 1 whole power n. So we use root test and applying limit n tends to infinity for un power 1 upon n. I will write here limit n tends to infinity and 3n plus 2 upon 2n minus 1 whole power n divided by n by using this, and we get limit n tends to infinity 3n plus 2 upon 2n minus 1. Okay, now to solve this, this is equal to limit n tends to infinity. I will write this n again I will write n outside, and in the bracket there is 2 minus 1 upon n. Okay, and this n is cancelled, so I will write this limit n tends to infinity un 1 upon n is equal to limit n tends to infinity 3 plus 2 by n in numerator and in denominator 2 minus 1 upon n. Okay, now put limit n tends to infinity. This term something on infinity, that is 0, and in denominator 1 upon infinity, that is also 0. So answer is 3 by 2, and this 3 by 2, it means that is greater than 1. Okay, so we can write by root test this series is, if the value is greater than 1, this series is divergent. Okay, so how we will use root test? We'll find the value of limit n tends to infinity un power 1 by n. If the value is less than 1, that the series is convergent. If the value of L is greater than 1, the series is divergent, but the value of L is equal to 1, test fails here. Okay, so the question is that where you will use root test if the nth term of any series kind of powers n or n square or minus n square. So you can cancel these powers by using 1 upon n. Okay, only to resolve these powers by using root test we will find the series convergent or divergent by using root test. Okay, तो root test आपको कहाँ अप्लाई करना है? जहाँ आपके पास जो nth टर्म है वो पावर्स ऑफ n या पावर्स ऑफ नेगेटिव n या n स्क्वायर में हो, जिससे आपकी ये पावर n 1 by n से रिड्यूस हो सके, एंड सिंप्लीफाई करके यू विल गेट द आंसर either greater than 1 or less than 1. Okay, so this way you can use root test for convergency or divergency. Okay, thank you.